Hey, what's up guys, it's Guilty and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome avatar with only 0 Robux. Here it says I have 4 Robux, but that doesn't matter. I'm not going to spend even a single Robux with it. Okay, now let's get into it. So first, you're going to want to go into characters and purchased, and then scroll down and then get the boy and the man if you don't have them. Personally, I would pick the man. Okay, so let's get into it. So body, and then any skin color you want, and then hair. And I recommend to use the charm hair, and then go to faces, and then I recommend to use the get the Xbox pack or something, and then you could get a free face that looks like the Skeptic. That's 27 Robux, and you could get this these 3 faces from a bundle. Well, it's not really a bundle. Okay, whatever. I don't want to make this video too long, so you can choose one of these. I got this face from like these 2 guys. Yeah, right under the green guy. Yeah, so now clothing, and then classic shirts, and then do the this shirt, and then do this. This is how it'll turn out. I hope you like it. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.